Which of the following is listed as a type of cell? A. Neuron. B. Brain. C. Lungs. D. Heart. The correct answer is A. Neuron. What is the primary purpose of burning paper inside a flask in the described experiment? A. To generate heat. B. To increase pressure. C. To consume oxygen. D. To produce smoke. The correct answer is C. To consume oxygen. What is the C unit of electrical conductivity of a conductor? A. Volt. B. Ohm. C. Siemens per meter. D. Joule. The correct answer is C. Siemens per meter. What is the volume of 0.5 moles of Co in liters? A. 11.2 liters. B. 5.6 liters. C. 22.4 liters. D. 44.8 liters. The correct answer is A. 11.2 liters. Which of these cycles is explicitly mentioned as a biogeochemical cycle in the text? A. Soil cycle. B. Water cycle. C. Rock cycle. D. Energy cycle. The correct answer is B. Water cycle. What is the purpose of using biotechnology techniques with live organisms? A. To isolate enzymes for industrial processes. B. To produce products useful to humans. C. To study the life cycle of microorganisms. D. To classify different species. The correct answer is B. To produce products useful to humans. What skill is emphasized in the learning objectives beyond software use? A. Creative thinking. B. Mechanical engineering. C. Public speaking. D. Data analysis. The correct answer is A. Creative thinking. Which pair of poles will repel each other? A. NS and SN. B. SN. C. NN. D. NS. The correct answer is C. NN. Which of the following is not a property of an image formed in a plane mirror? A. It is upright. B. It is the same size as the object. C. It is laterally inverted. D. It is real. The correct answer is D. It is real. Which of the following is an example of a chemical change? A. Melting ice. B. Dissolving salt. C. Boiling water. D. Fermentation. The correct answer is D. Fermentation. Which of the following is an aldehyde? A. CH3COH3. B. CH3COO. C. CH3CH2O. D. CH3CHO. The correct answer is D. CH3CHO. Small air sacs in the lungs are known as what? A. Bronchi. B. Capillaries. C. Trachea. D. Alveoli. The correct answer is D. Alveoli. What type of reflection occurs when light hits walls and floors during the day? A. Specular reflection. B. Convergent reflection. C. Diffused reflection. D. Divergent reflection. The correct answer is C. Diffused reflection. What method did people use in the past to light fire? A. Using electric kettles. B. Holding objects to their cheeks. C. Adding ice cubes to fruit juice. D. Rubbing two stones together. The correct answer is D. Rubbing two stones together. Which section of horticulture involves plants grown for flowers? A. Alericulture. B. Pomology. C. Floriculture. D. Viticulture. The correct answer is C. Floriculture. Impulse is equal to what quantity? A. Rate of change of mass. B. Rate of force and time. C. Change of velocity. D. Rate of change of momentum. The correct answer is D. Rate of change of momentum. What type of fibers are natural basic dyes typically used for? A. Synthetic fibers and plastics. B. Animal fibers and plant fibers. C. Metallic fibers only. D. Ceramic fibers and glass. The correct answer is B. Animal fibers and plant fibers. Which specialized cells are responsible for excretion in flatworms? A. Collar cells. B. Flame cells. C. Pore cells. D. Nerve cells. The correct answer is B. Flame cells. Where are yeasts typically added to make bread and cakes? A. To the dough. B. To the sugar. C. To the water. D. To the flour. The correct answer is A. To the dough. What is a potential health effect mentioned as a result of stress from noise pollution? A. Enhanced vision. B. Increased flexibility. C. High blood pressure. D. Improved hearing. The correct answer is C. High blood pressure. What is the primary division of software based on the process? A. Input and output software. B. Cabinet and hard disk. C. System software and application software. D. Hardware and software. The correct answer is C. System software and application software. Which of the following is a non-magnetic substance? A. Paper. B. Cobalt. C. Iron. D. Nickel. The correct answer is A. Paper. What is the characteristic behavior of a fuse wire during an overload in wiring? A. It contracts. B. It becomes more conductive. C. It expands. D. It melts. The correct answer is D. It melts. Which of these is not a connective tissue listed as part of the skeleton system? A. Bones. B. Synovial membrane. C. Ligaments. D. Cartilage. The correct answer is B. Synovial membrane. What does S represent in the expression S is equal to area of the rectangle ABCD? A. Time. B. Speed. C. Displacement. D. Acceleration. The correct answer is C. Displacement. What is the upward movement of water and dissolved minerals in plants called? A. Root pressure. B. Plasmolysis. C. Ascent of sap. D. Active transport. The correct answer is C. Ascent of sap. What are the primary reproductive organs in the male human body? A. Prostate. B. Ovary. C. Testis. D. Uterus. The correct answer is C. Testis. In which material can you see your image due to regular reflection? A. Polished floor. B. Unpolished stone. C. Wooden table. D. Rough surface. The correct answer is A. Polished floor. When a force is applied against an object's motion, what is a possible outcome? A. The object vibrates at a higher frequency. B. The object speeds up. C. The object stops. D. The object glows. The correct answer is C. The object stops. Besides powdered lime, Cl, what other compound can be used to neutralize air pollutants like sulfur dioxide gas? A. Potassium hydroxide. B. Sodium bicarbonate. C. Ammonia. D. Limestone, CaCO3. The correct answer is D. Limestone, CaCO3. How did you score?